Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I just finished rebuilding this Leslie lower slow motor, and it's running quiet. And I've already oiled the bearings, and it's running very smooth as it should. Right now, of course, it's on the green, so that's the fast. It would be the fast motor, but it's getting ready to switch to the red. When it switches to the red light, that will be the slow motor coming on. There you are. Okay. I'll let it run until it changes again. All right, so that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this motor stack, and then we'll try it out. Be back in just a moment. Dr. Kemp of the Hammond Doc. Peace out.